What's the meaning of Crown Court? Crown Court. Crown Court.
Crown Court. Crown Court. A Crown Court is a type of court in the UK that deals with serious criminal cases such as murder, rape, and drug trafficking. It is presided over by a judge and a jury who determine the innocence or guilt of the accused. The Crown Court has the power to impose more severe sentences than magistrates' courts, including life imprisonment. The Crown Court is part of the senior courts of England and Wales and serves as an important component of the criminal justice system. Overall, the Crown Court plays a critical role in upholding law and order in the country.